Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a close look at the Kenmore DS4030 Cordless Stick Vacuum, a versatile cleaner designed for both carpet and hard floors. This model promises to tackle pet hair, dirt, and dust with ease, while keeping things lightweight and efficient. At less than 6 pounds, it's not just about power, it's about convenience, portability, and flexibility. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive in. This stick vacuum is all about convenience, designed with users in mind who need a reliable tool to clean their home quickly and effectively. The Kenmore DS4030 offers 2 speed settings, the low, Eco mode for everyday cleaning, and the high, Max mode, for more intense messes. This means you can choose how much power you need depending on the task at hand. It boasts a runtime of up to 40 minutes, thus providing enough time to clean most rooms without needing a recharge. Plus, the 21.6-volt lithium-ion battery is rechargeable and gets back to full power in under 4 hours, so it's ready to go again in no time. One of the key features here is the EasyReach wand, which flexes with a push of a button, allowing you to clean under furniture effortlessly. That's right, no more struggling to get underneath low tables or couches. When it's time to clean upholstery or tight spaces, you can easily detach the hand vac, making this a truly versatile tool for various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. The extra-large dust cup is another win, providing 50% more capacity than many other vacuums in its class. You won't have to empty it as often, which is a huge time saver during longer cleaning sessions. What makes this vacuum stand out is its powerful suction across multiple surfaces. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on hardwood floors or embedded pet hair on carpets, this vacuum pulls it all up. The dual speed settings come into play here, giving you control over how much suction you need for specific messes. It works seamlessly on slate, tile, linoleum, hardwood, and carpeted floors. Each mode gives you a level of adaptability that ensures optimal performance no matter the surface. Filtration is also a strong point with the Kenmore DS4030. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of dust, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it a great choice for allergy sufferers or anyone sensitive to airborne particles. Plus, the transparent canister makes it easy to see when it's time to empty, and the washable filter helps save on maintenance costs. When it comes to ease of use, the weight is another highlight. The full vacuum weighs less than 6 pounds, making it easy to carry around the house, even with the wand attached. And if you detach the hand vac, the weight drops to just under 3 pounds, so it's a breeze to clean stairs, upholstery, or even your car interior. The Kenmore DS4030 is relatively quiet compared to some vacuums in this category. You won't find it obnoxiously loud, which is a nice touch when you're trying to clean without disturbing the household. However, the noise level can vary depending on which speed setting you choose, with the high speed setting being noticeably louder than the low speed one. Now, on to the testing experience. We ran the vacuum through several real-world scenarios, and it performed impressively well. On hardwood floors, the vacuum glided effortlessly, picking up dust and crumbs without a hitch. When we switched to carpet, it pulled up embedded dirt and pet hair with minimal effort. The brush roll was easy to maintain, and it didn't get tangled with long hair, something that can be a big issue with other vacuums in this class. The hand vac function was also put to the test on upholstery and tight corners, and it didn't disappoint. Cleaning stairs was easy, as the lightweight design allowed for effortless maneuvering. However, we did notice that the suction wasn't as intense in the hand vac mode, but that's to be expected since it's designed for smaller messes. The EasyReach wand worked as advertised, making it easy to clean under furniture without having to reposition the vacuum constantly. There are a few things worth mentioning, though. While the 40-minute runtime is great for quick to medium cleaning sessions, if you have a large house or multiple floors to clean, you might find yourself needing to recharge before finishing the job. Additionally, the vacuum's power isn't quite as intense as some larger models, especially when tackling thick carpets. It works perfectly fine for everyday cleaning, but heavy-duty carpet cleaning might require something with more suction power. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore DS4030 offers a lot for its price. It's lightweight, powerful, and versatile, with a long runtime and solid filtration. If you're in the market for a reliable cordless stick vacuum, this one offers a competitive balance of price and performance. However, there are a few alternatives that could provide more power or better features, depending on your specific needs. Models like the Dyson V8 or Shark IonFlex 2X may offer more suction power for a higher price point, but the Kenmore DS4030 competes well in terms of versatility and price. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy plastic construction that doesn't feel flimsy. The wand and nozzle attachments connect securely, and the dust cup is easy to remove and clean. Maintenance is simple, with the washable filter and straightforward canister emptying. There's no need for bags, which is a nice bonus. If you're concerned about customer support, Kenmore has a reputation for solid service, and the vacuum comes with a warranty to protect against potential issues. The wall-mounted charging base is a convenient addition, keeping everything neat and organized. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking for something in the same category, the Dyson V8 is a strong alternative. It offers more suction power, especially on carpets, and is renowned for its reliability. The Shark IonFlex 2X, on the other hand, offers more versatility with its multi-flex technology and is often praised for its maneuverability. That said, the Kenmore DS4030 is a solid choice for anyone who needs a lightweight, efficient vacuum that's easy to use and won't break the bank. The Kenmore DS4030 shines when it comes to flexibility, ease of use, and affordability. If you need a versatile vacuum for regular cleaning on hard floors and low-pile carpets, with the bonus of cleaning tight spaces and upholstery with the hand vac, it's a great option. While it doesn't offer the intense power of some higher-end models, it's more than enough for most households and a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience. If you've got any questions or experiences with the Kenmore DS4030, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on Reviewsinside TV. Catch you next time with more cleaning insights.